Hi, we're at the Boise Bend Nature Area, and I finally got a good eye on one of the kingfishers. Looks like it's the male, because he doesn't have any brown that I can see yet, but he's turned the wrong way to really get a good identification. This is the Mad Camera Guy in Loveland, Colorado. And look, he's wondering who's talking over here. Should I move? Oh, there we go. It's definitely a male. What a pretty bird. I can hear another one downriver a little bit chatting away. These birds are so elusive, and usually they'll tease you like crazy. I don't really think he's not sure what's standing over here. I'm not moving. Oh, there he went.